Hi everyone, this is Olalumoronkola from Lamp Media Touch. In this video, I want to show you 4 ways to add text into your Corel workspace. Let's get it started. So, in order for you to be able to add text to your Corel workspace, you need to go straight to the toolbox here, then you locate the text tool which can also be activated by just pressing F8. Though you might have been familiar with two types of text in Corel, which is the artistic text and the paragraph text. So I have this other two that you can just simply from here then you create the text directly. So the first one I will show you is the common one that you have known, which is the artistic text. So this can be added by just clicking on the text tool, then move your mouse to the workspace, then click, then you start typing. So this is usually a single line text which you can add different kind of effects on. You can add shadow, you can add transparency, you can add any other effect you might think of. So that's the first one, the artistic text. Then the second one is the paragraph text. This can be added by clicking on the text tool. So instead of just clicking anywhere on your workspace, you have to draw an imaginary box which is called the text box. I called it an imaginary because the lines that go around like this will not be visible at the time you print your work out or you export it for printing. So it's just a text box just to guide the paragraph. So this is for typing multiple line text. If you have to create a text or you have to type lines of text with multiple lines and they will be having the same effects, they will be having the same font type, they will be having the same size, and you want them to have some relationship due to their line spacing and the arrangement. So it's good to use the text box. So that's the second one. The third way I would like to show you is to create a text inside a bounding box. So it means that you are using a shape as a text box for your text. So it's also related to the text box, but instead of drawing the text box directly, so it means that you are creating the text starting from a shape this time. So in order to create a text box that goes around this box, so what you need to do is to draw the shape first, then click on the text box, then you move your mouse to the once your mouse move closer to the line and you see a kind of rectangle dots around the cursor, then you can click. So with this, the text, anything you type will fit inside that shape. So the text box has been created inside the shape that you have drawn. So you can do this into any forms of shapes you have created. In my previous video, I teach you how you can create your own custom shapes. So in this way also you can create a new shape and you can add any object inside. So let me go and choose another shape. Let's go to common shapes and look for any of the shape here. Let's say this love shape, so I will draw it. So the same way, I can just click on the text tool, then move my text tool closer to the line from the inside. Then it changes as it approaches the line of the shape. It changes to a dotted rectangle. Then you click, so it will create a box around it. So that's the third way of adding text into Corel workspace. So the fourth one is related also. It is also like creating an artistic text because it will not create a bounding box. This one is making your text follow a particular path. So in this way, I would like to start with a circle also. So after you've drawn the circle, select the text tool, then come here from the outside of the shape, then move your mouse down towards the line. Once it touches the line, the symbol of a curved line shows below the mouse pointer. The other one we did earlier, I moved my mouse from the inside of the shape towards the line, and it first changes to a dotted rectangle. But if it move up further, it will change to a curving line. So with this, when you click and you start typing, your text will be going around the shape. So that's the 4 ways you can add text to your Corel Draw workspace. There is a lot to do in this. If you want to know more about this thing, please like this video and subscribe, so by the time I post more videos concerning this feature, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you for staying.